Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: the printed or emailed gift card code, the Epic account you'll use, and the platform linked to Fortnite. Once signed in, make sure your account region and email are correct because codes can be region locked. Now navigate to the redeem code or payment section inside your account settings. This is the first actionable step. You do this now to avoid platform mismatches and ensure the credit lands in the right wallet. You enter the code carefully. If the card is digital, copy-paste to prevent mistakes. Once you submit, the system may ask which wallet or linked platform to apply the funds to. Choose the account you use for Fortnite gameplay. Make sure the displayed currency and dollar amount match the card value, because currency mismatches can block use. After confirming, submit the redeem. Wait for the success message so you know the balance posted to your account. You head into the Fortnite item shop and select the V-Bucks or Battle Pass option that fits your balance. Proceed with the in-game purchase using your Epic wallet. If the transaction is blocked, make sure your account is linked to the correct console and that the posted balance equals the card value. If the code shows invalid, re-enter it, verify region and retailer restrictions, and if still failing, contact the seller or Epic support with proof of purchase to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.